everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my vanity tour. I'm going to show you how I organize my makeup collection basically, and also my skincare and some hair products. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So let me just show you the entrance first. So this is my room, and then there's one small way to go inside, and there are curtains here. So as I open the curtains, this is how it looks like. Let's just ignore that part. This is the bathroom and this is the toilet. Earlier this thing was empty, completely empty. We only had the bathroom and the toilet here. Even the partitions were not there. So as part of the room renovation, we got this done, and everything is custom made. So we had just drawn an image of what we exactly want and given to the carpenter, and I've always wanted these bulbs on the mirror. This was my dream, and these are all the drawers over here. And this is a tiny stool. This is a bar stool actually, so I just sit on it and do my makeup. I also keep this tiny mirror over here. One side is magnified, so you can actually see while doing eye makeup and stuff like that. I mostly use it while shaving my face, and these are some things I like to keep on top. I don't use perfume a lot, but I just keep them on top so that I remember to use them. And these are also some perfumes by Nykaa Masaba. This container I got from Miniso. So all the things I have bought online will be linked down in the description box below. This container is from AliExpress. I had got it before it was banned. So when I put the bulbs on, this is how it looks like. There's also one light on top of this. Let me just put that on. I just put all three lights on, even the bathroom and toilet one. And this is this chat kind of thing. We've just painted it white. I love these lights so much. Whenever I'm getting ready, I always put these lights on, and it has made such a huge difference. I can actually see what I'm doing, and I look much better in these lights, honestly. So even this is custom made. Everything is custom made. So now let's start with my makeup collection. Let's start with this one. This is my favorite drawer. Okay, are you ready? Yay! So let me just talk about the containers over here. So whatever containers you can see, the plastic ones, everything I have got from a local container store. The lipstick organizers I've got from Miniso, but the rest of the containers are from a local shop. They actually were dibbas, so I have removed the cover and just kept the dibbas right here. It took me a while to figure out which container to put where, but I finally figured it out, and I'm currently liking this setup. I keep changing my setup, but currently I'm liking this one. So this is the max the drawer comes out. So I'll have to go inside. Okay, so in this compartment I keep all my foundations. The next compartment I keep all my concealers. This is all my compact powders, and that one is a BB cream cushion, and these are all the K-Beauty foundations. So here I keep all my primers and stroke creams and stuff like that. This is also a primer compartment, but these are mostly mattifying primers or blurring primers, and only this Nykaa stroke cream I've kept here because it didn't have other place. Next, this is my highlighter compartment. I keep all my highlighters here. This one is the Chotu Becca one. It's broken. I just fixed it yesterday. This is my blush compartment. So these are all the blushes. K-Beauty one. This is Flower, Maybelline, Benefit, and these two are bronzers. So Bahama Mama and Hoola bronzer. Here I keep all my loose powders. So all of these are loose powders. These are Maybelline. This is K-Beauty. This is Huda Beauty. K-Beauty again. This is Becca. And can you see some space over there? So I just keep some random sticks there. These are sugar blush sticks and highlighter sticks because I didn't know where else to keep them. I've also kept one highlighter here. This is the Mars highlighter, and these are all my eyeliners, stick eyeshadows, kajals and things like that. I've just tied them using a random rubber band. Earlier I did not tie them, but after tying them it just looks much cleaner. And anyway, I don't use eyeliners much, so I don't have to use this section a lot. So whenever I want to use it, I can just take out one and just keep it back so that it doesn't go all over the place. I've also kept this liquid eyeshadow. This is the Benetint, and these are also some tints. And in between these two compartments, I just like to keep my eyelash curler because it just saves space. And this is my lipstick compartment. I am never satisfied with how I organize my lipsticks because every time I take out one lipstick, it just gets messed up. But for this video, I've just organized them like this. I try not to let my lipstick container overflow. As soon as I get new lipsticks, I just declutter my old lipsticks. I give it away or throw away if they are very old because I don't like to have too much of something. There was a time when I wanted a lot of makeup, but anyway, okay. I also keep some lipsticks over here. So whatever lipsticks did not fit in this, I have just kept them down. This is my eyelash glue, and I've just kept my MAC lipsticks. They just fit perfectly in this, that's why I've kept them here. These are all the K-Beauty lipsticks. They just fit perfectly in these containers, that's why I've kept them here. And this is actually not a compartment. So these are all my mascaras. So can you see that empty space over here because of these 3 containers? So in that empty space, I just keep all my mascaras. This is some jugaad I do. Not just mascaras, I also have my eyebrow pencil over here, and also this lip pencil over here because it's really long. My other lip pencils I keep here. This one doesn't really fit in this, then I won't be able to close the drawer, that's why I keep it here. So this was the first drawer. This is my second drawer. So this is mostly empty because honestly I don't like too much clutter. As soon as I get any new makeup products, I just declutter the old ones because I don't want my space to be overflowing, and honestly I'm not even able to use so much makeup, right? So instead I can just give it to somebody who'll at least make use of it. I have a separate drawer for the products I don't want, so I'll be showing that later. So let's start from the end. These are all my false eyelashes. Then there is this box. So this is a PR box. In this I keep all my eyeshadow palettes. Some of them I've kept them vertical so that everything fits inside. This is one more eyeshadow palette. This I don't really use anymore. This is a very old eyeshadow palette. I used to use a lot in my old videos, and I don't really want to throw it because look at this. This is chocolate. This is also from a PR box. I haven't kept anything yet because I don't have more things to keep. And in this box, I keep my lenses and lens solution. Whatever cardboard boxes you can see here, they all are PR, okay? And this one is a wooden box. I'm not sure from where this came. I just stole it from my husband's drawer, I guess. I keep all my sharpeners here. I mostly use the sugar sharpener because it works really great. And this container is also from Miniso. So I just keep all the makeup sprays over here. And this is a MAC mirror. And these are my beauty blenders, and this one is empty. This container right here I got from Amazon. It looks really good. Love the color. It's a metal. I keep all my makeup brushes in this. I got it specifically for my makeup brushes only. So in the first compartment, I've just kept these sponges. I don't really use them, but I've just kept them in case I plan to use them. In the next compartment, I keep all my bigger brushes. In the third compartment, I keep all my smaller brushes. In the fourth compartment, I just keep random stuff. So this is basically Huda Beauty Demi Matte sample card, and I have it since really long. I had got it for free when I placed an order from Cult Beauty. So I've just kept them in case I want to use them. And this is a pump for foundation. So in case I get any foundation which needs a pump, I'll use this. This also I had got from AliExpress, by the way. So this was the second drawer. Let me show you the third drawer. Third drawer is not really interesting. I just keep all the random stuff here. So these are all my hair oils which I use before washing my hair. Even this one, I've kept them in these containers. So actually I had these colorful drawers earlier. I had got from DMart, I think. So these are the same drawers. I just reuse them. I've just kept it down just in case oil leaks or something. This is a hair color. These are just empty jewelry boxes. And these are some extra cotton pads. And these are some extra containers in case I want to use it. This came with the pack beauty blenders. And these are the perfumes. This is also a perfume. Just backup saman I keep here. And these are some Q-tips. Now let me show you this drawer. So here I keep all my jewelry. This does not look like how I had planned it to be. I actually wanted velvet organizers, and I had also placed an order for it from AliExpress, but it just never came. I did get a refund though. So instead I just use these plastic containers. So these are some chokers I have, and I keep all my hoops in this one and just some threads just in case. One more box in which I keep all my safety pins, and then these are bangles. So this box came with the bangles only. I had worn them for my wedding reception. And then there's this box. In this I keep all my, I don't even know what is all in there. These are some bracelets and some, yeah, even these are bracelets. These are some gale ka things which don't fit anywhere else. And these are also some chokers and some necklaces. Let me just put these back. And then there is again some random stuff. These are all my bindis, and these are all the glass bangles. I don't even wear them, but I've just kept them in case. Then there is this treasure kind of thing. So this actually came with chocolates. You won't believe how old this is. I had got this in 2006 around. In this I keep all my treasure, actually, like whatever I want to keep for memory. So this one is also really old. Also got it in 2006. This is a watch cum ring. It doesn't even work, but I just kept them. Then there is this bracelet I had made. My name is there in it. It's Madhusri because there was no H, no extra H. And then Zosi because again no H. And then there is a kitchen with my name, Madhushri. There's also a necklace with my name, Madhushri. I'm so narcissist. And then again these are some necklace and ring things which my mom had given to me from Piora. And this container is also from AliExpress. I keep all the necklaces here. I need to throw all of these out because they get oxidized so fast. And then there is this container. I love this one. I got this from Amazon. And if I open it, these are all my rings and all the tops. Honestly, I don't even wear any of this. I don't know why I still keep them. And this container I really like. I had also got this from a random container store. In this I keep all my earrings. It becomes really easy to know which earring is where. I really like everything to be on display so that I know what all I have. The next drawer is my skincare drawer. So here I keep all my toners, serums. This is also toner. This is an oil. This is some random eye cream. These are some serums. And here I keep all my minis. So I recently had got this mini from Face Shop for free on a purchase. So I've just kept them here. These are some Dot & Key minis. This is a moisturizer. This is also moisturizer. This is some sample. And this is also a moisturizer. I'm really proud of these two boxes. They look so neat. Next compartment I have here, I keep all my sunscreens in. Okay, and this one is just a toner. These are all the body lotions. That's a body mist. In this I keep all my face masks. So sheet masks, some facial kit. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. I've just kept them. This is a random razor. I got it by mistake thinking it's a face razor, but it's not a face razor. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Then these are also this sheet mask things which I got from Miniso. This is my brush cleaner, and this is my face mask brush. I use it for face masking. This is from Vega. Next I keep again there are some toners over here and some moisturizers. These two I mostly use for my body. This one is almost over. These two I just want to finish them fast because very little of it is left. That's why I've kept them outside. Then there's another box. This is again from Miniso. This is that makeup remover wipe. So you're just supposed to wet it and then it removes the makeup. And these are all my lip balms, and these are my face razors and a random hand cream. By the way, this one is a cardboard box. Again, I had got in PR. Even this is a cardboard one from PR. Only this one is plastic here. Even this one is a cardboard box. This is from K-Beauty PR. This is also cardboard box. Yeah, that was my skincare drawer. The last drawer is a hair drawer. So this one is similar to my makeup brush holder, this one which I showed. So even this one I had got from Amazon from the same seller. I keep all my Dyson Airwrap attachments in this. It just looks perfect with this, like when the color is matching. This is the K-Beauty PR box, and this is some random bowl. I keep all my scrunchies and things like that here. This is a headband. These are all the clips which I use while blow drying my hair or even normally to wear. These are all my fancy clips. Next, these are all my hair serums, and this is a heat protectant spray, blow dry cream. All these things I use for heat styling my hair. Next, this is also a PR box from Nykaa. I keep my Airwrap here. This is a straightener which I hardly use. These are hairsprays. This is a headband which we had got for my friend's bachelorette's party. This one I had got from AliExpress, but it broke. This is a heat cap. I used to also keep my other hairdryer here, but I just don't use it that much anymore. So I've just kept it somewhere else so that there's space. Then I also keep my spray bottle here. And that box has my hair bangs and some hair car extensions. And yeah, that's it. I'm tired. Since we are talking about hair products, let me also show you some curly hair products. All my curly hair products on this shelf. I have so many curl up products. This is Fix My Curls, that is Shea Moisture, Arata, Ashpa, Olaplex. This is my favorite shelf. Other things are just random like face wash and brushes and makeup removers and mouthwash, toothbrushes. This is my toothbrush, this is my husband's toothbrush. I don't know what he does with this. And this is the wash basin. This is me and that's the toilet. I don't want to show that. So yeah, that was the vanity. I was also going to show you that other drawer, right? So when I come out of this curtain, there is my room. This is my closet. I'll make a separate video on my closet tour and how I organize things. But for now, I'll just show you this drawer in which I keep all my extra makeup products. Yeah, we got some light. So here I keep all the products which I don't want. Currently it's empty because I recently gave away a lot of stuff, and in this box I keep all my empties just in case I decide to make an empties video. So I recently started doing that. And even these pens, actually I didn't want to go out to buy a pen, and on Amazon you could only get this box. So now I have a lot of pens, so I've just kept them here. I can give that away as well. So yes, that's it. So that was it for my makeup collection or vanity tour or dressing table tour, whatever you would like to call it. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got some ideas on how you can organize your makeup. So I would like to give you a tip. So whenever you get any parcels or any products which have nice packaging, just use that packaging to store your things instead of buying, you know, plastic containers. I had bought these plastic containers long ago because I thought that was the only way. But then when I started getting these PR boxes, I started using them instead of buying separate containers. So reusing things makes much more sense than buying, you know, new containers. You can buy, of course, if you want a certain look, and also if you felt that you know, you're so lucky you have such a nice vanity. I did not always have it, guys, okay, but I made a vision. This was in my vision board, okay. I wished for it and I worked towards it, and that's how I got it today, okay. So never stop dreaming, believe in yourself and work hard. You know, earlier I used to watch these YouTubers makeup collection videos and I used to feel like they are so lucky. I used to want that much makeup, you know, and now that I have it, I'm close to it. I don't have a lot of it, but now I feel it's enough, you know. I've just changed over time. It just gets wasted. Also maintaining it becomes a task. Earlier I wasn't like this at all. I used to love collecting stuff and having a lot of makeup and things like that, but now I've kind of changed. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday. And today's comment shout out goes to Akanksha Verma. Thank you so much for your comment. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.